Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is our fourth alternate card using elements from the December 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. I've also used one of the dies from the Abundant Joy add-on dies, and I've cut out 3 of these little stamens. I've got a piece of the vellum. I've got one of the square greetings banners, and I just used my corner rounder and rounded the edges because I wanted the front to kind of mimic the inside. I'm actually going to take one of these and put it on the inside. I've got a Secret C card base. I just thought that that would look nice with this one. So I'm just going to pop in this right in the middle. There's still room to write to and from. You can write up here if you want, right in here, or just right there. So I'm using that as the inside, so it's a little bit more interesting on the inside. I've taken one of the card fronts and cut it to 5 1/4 by 4, and then cut it into 1-inch pieces. And we're going to take every second piece and we're going to flip it around like that. We're just creating just a little bit more interest in the card front itself. So I'm just going to go ahead and add these again, cut down to 5 1/4 by 4 and then subcut into 1-inch pieces. So we're just going to pop those down onto the front and just make sure we've got this the right way up. We're going to line that up right next to the one we've just attached down, no space in between. And then we're going to go ahead and add the next one in. Again, lining that up right next to it. And there we go. This one goes this way up. And there we go. So there's our card front, just like that. As I say, I've got this piece of vellum, which I am going to adhere down. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to make the rest of this work yet, so we're just going to have a play with it. So I am going to adhere the vellum down. So I'm just going to put a piece of adhesive right in the middle. This is going to go in the middle of the card like this. And then I think I'm going to put this piece across the middle as well, just like that. So I'm going to add some adhesive to this. Just going to put some at each end because the middle will kind of be fixed down with the greeting banner and that. So I am going to use the greeting from the Artistic Leaves set, the Celebrate today. I'm only going to use the Celebrate though. So I've got my corner rounded piece here. I've got a Secret C Stampin' Spot because I don't actually have the ink pad. But I am going to ink up just the word celebrate. So I'm just going to come in. I just want the word celebrate. I don't want the today. And I am going to stamp this down. Just like that. There we go. So we've got the word celebrate stamped in Secret C. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add this onto here as well, like that. And then I'm going to work out how I'm going to put in my stamens here. And I have cut them out on adhesive backing. So I'm going to just lift this up, tuck one right under there like that. And then let's peel the backing off this one. Just like this. And then we're going to tuck it under this side. Like that. Okay. And I've got a third one, but I can yay or nay adding it in. I think I might not add it in. Let's just see what it looks like if I do this. No, I think I'm going to leave it off. This I'm going to dimensionalize. As soon as I find my dimensionals, there we go. And I'm just going to pop one in each corner. Like that. And There we go. And this is going to pop down right in the middle like this. So that line kind of runs right underneath it. There we go. And I'm just going to grab some bling. And I need to decide which bling I want. Whether I want the Night of Navy bling or more of these shimmer pieces. And I think I'm going to use the new shimmer pieces because they've got a little bit of green in them. And I kind of want to pick up on the green that's in here. So we'll put, maybe we'll use some medium-sized ones for this one. I'm going to pop one down here like this. And then one maybe up here like this. And one maybe on the vellum over here. So there we go. That is our, I think we're looking at 4th alternate card using elements from the December 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned. We've got 2 more alternates left this week.